Hi everyone and welcome to Gorejeious. My name is Sophia Rizzo and today we're going to be doing a super cool robot look using face paint and eyeshadow. So let's get to it. Alright, so to start off this makeup look, I'm going to be using the Maron's white face paint to create like a little base, like mask-like shape. So on the outside we can add wires and stuff, but for the first part we're going to create a white base. For the first line, I'm going to draw like a white line right across my forehead. Just kind of like this. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes like this. They're very faint. A line that goes like this. So it's kind of like a little mask. I'm going to take some more white. I'm going to draw it down like this. So it's just like an outline of my face. So it's just like an outline of my face. It's very rough draft. And then I'm going to just connect here. So it's like a little white. And then I'm going to fill it in white. Right, now that we've done our white rough base, we are going to take the black Maron face paint and we're going to draw the outline of our shape. Alright, so now that I've done the black outlines, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to kind of blend them in. Alright, so now that we blended it out, we are going to redraw that black outline. Now that we outlined it in black, we are going to add some like robot details to the face. So let's add some black lines. Alright, now that I've added my black lines and blended them, I'm going to go over and make the lines sharper. Now that the lines look pretty sharp, I'm going to add some more black details and lines to make it look just like a robot. So we completed the black details and lines. I think it looks really cool. Now we're going to do the neck. So it's going to be like a black base with wires in it. So let's draw the wires. So for the wires, we're going to do red, yellow, and blue. And I'm going to just paint like little wires all around the sides. Alright, now that we have the wire bases, we're going to add white on top so it looks way more realistic. Alright, now that we have the wires, we are going to paint the skin part black. We have finished the robot face. Now it's time to do the neck. So we're going to do a bunch of white blocks with a bunch of wires and all black on the inside. Alright, now that we painted our white blocks, we're going to outline them in black and shade it and blend it. Alright, so we finished this part. Now let's add wires. So we finished painting the wires, time to fill it in with black. Alright, so we filled in the black. I'm going to make this half human, half robot. So we're going to add like skin coloring around the outside to make it look like it mixes with skin and robot. We are almost done. This is like our half human, half robot. Now we just got to add cool contacts, eyelashes, and put on a cool outfit. So we are almost done. Alright everyone, this is the final makeup look. We got the contacts in, we have the paint on, we have the cute outfit. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try it. Tag me down below, comment down below, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Thanks everyone.